Good morning children, welcome again. Today we'll continue chapter Animal Kingdom in this class also. In our previous class we have learned till phylum Platyhelminthes. So Nematohelminthes, they are also known as Esculmenthes or nematodes, and the animals which includes in Nematohelminthes are the roundworms and threadworms. Now, Nematohelminthes, they are free living or sometimes they are endoparasitic in nature. Free living, they found in fresh water, sea or in soil, and parasitic forms, they are found in both animals and plants. They are bilateral symmetrical in nature and they are also triploblastic in nature. They show organ system level of organization and body is cylindrical and unsegmented, and head and appendages, they are absent. Their body is tapering at one end. The male, it has curved end, posterior part is curved, and they appear a pair of pineal setae. Now body wall, it is thick and tough cuticle, now syncytial or multinucleate epidermis, and they also have longitudinal muscle fibers which are arranged in 4 longitudinal quadrants. Now their body cavity is pseudocele, which is derived from the embryonic blastocele. Now alimentary canal is straight, complete with mouth and anus. Now circulatory system and respiratory system both are absent. Excretory tube and excretory pores are present. They show sexual dimorphism because sexes are separate in nature. Male is smaller than female, and its posterior end is curved. Now the examples are the Scaris, Vaucheria, and Cyclostoma, Antrobius, etc. Now here are the common examples of phylum Nematohelminthes, children. Now see here, this is Scaris lumbricoides. Now here see, this is the male and this one is the female. So male has curved end. Now here also this is Antrobius, then Cyclostoma and Vaucheria. Come to phylum Annelida. The Annelida, they have segmented worm-like animals. Now they are the coelomate protostomes which have bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and metamerically segmented body. Now they show organ system level of body organization and tube within tube body plan. The germ layer, they are triploblastic in nature and they are soft, elongated, cylindrical and worm-like animals. They show metameric segmentation. Now the segments, they are known as metameres. Body wall is soft and dermomuscular, that means dermis layer or body wall, it is formed of outer circular and inner longitudinal muscle layer. The cover is of cuticle which is thin and moist. Now the body cavity, it is schizocelic and it is divided by septa into compartments. They have locomotory organs. Aquatic form, they have parapodia for locomotion, and terrestrial forms, they have chitinous setae or setae as a locomotory organ. Now digestive tract, they have complete digestive tract but complex tube. It consists of pharynx which swallow food, it has stomach which store and grind food, and intestine for absorption of digested food. Now they respire by moist integument, gills or modified parapodia. Circulatory system is closed type in these animals, and respiratory pigment, either hemoglobin or erythropoietin are present, which is dissolved in plasma. They are excretory organs known as the nephridia, and nervous system consists of the brain, cerebral ganglia and double ventral nerve cord. They have well developed sense organs like the photoreceptors, chemoreceptors, tactile receptors, gustatory and olfactory receptors. Now annelids are maybe unisexual or they are hermaphrodite. Nereis, they are unisexual in nature, whereas earthworm and leech, they are hermaphrodite in nature. Larval stage is the trophophore. Now this phylum, it is divided into 3 classes: Polychaeta, in which the Nereis and the Neanthes included. Then next is the Oligochaeta, in which earthworm comes, and Hirudinea, in which the leeches or the blood-sucking animals come. Now next phylum is Arthropoda. Now this phylum Arthropoda, it is the largest phylum and it includes 9 lakh known species. Now they constitute the oldest and the biological most successful group. Now they comprises about 78% of all the known animals. Now these arthropods, they are triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical, segmented eucoelomates, but their segments, they are not separated by septa internally. Here see the diagram showing internal organization of an arthropod. Now here see the eyes which is present in the head part. They have the antennae in the mouth, the anus part, and the alimentary canal, heart, exoskeleton is there. They have ventral nerve cords and legs for locomotion. Now these legs are also segmented in nature. Now they show body division into head and trunk. Now trunk may be separated into thorax and abdomen, and in crustaceans the body, it is divided into cephalothorax and abdomen. Now head is formed by the fusion of 5 interior segments and they carries sense organs like eyes and antennae. Now exoskeleton, this is thick and chitinous in nature. They show molting process. That means they shed off their chitinous exoskeleton periodically and they develop a new one. So this phenomena, it is known as molting or ecdysis. Now they have paired jointed appendages for locomotion, usually modified as jaws, gills, legs, swimming paddles, etc. And the body cavity is reduced, coelom is reduced, and body cavity is hemocoel in nature. Now digestive system is complete and circulatory system is open type. Now they have well developed respiratory organs, maybe they are gills, they are trachea or book lungs. Nervous system is well developed, which consists of circumpharyngeal ring and a double solid segmentally ganglionated ventral nerve. Excretory system or excretion takes place by Malpighian tubule or coelomoducts. Now sense organs, they have well developed sense organs like antennae or feelers, then tactile, eyes or photoreceptors to perceive light, statocyst or organ of balancing, taste receptors which are located on insect feet, and sound receptors which are found in crickets and cicada. Now endocrine system is also present, and endocrine glands, they secrete the hormones, and these hormones help in metamorphosis and pheromones that act as sex attractants and help in communication. Now sexes are separate, that means they show sexual dimorphism. Fertilization, it is external in aquatic forms, but it is internal in terrestrial forms. Mostly they are egg-laying or the oviparous animals, but scorpion, they are viviparous in nature. Development may be direct or without larval stage, or sometimes indirect or include larval stage. Now the process of formation of larva into adult, it is called a metamorphosis. Now again this phylum is classified into 5 classes. Arachnida, which includes the animals which show body division like prosoma and ophistosoma. They have 6 pair of appendages which is present in prosoma, and the animals include in this class are the araignées, spiders, preliminus, are the scorpion, etc. Now next class is the crustacea, which includes the animals like crabs, shrimps, prawns, etc. The body is divided into cephalothorax and abdomen. Now third class is the Chilopoda, in which the body is divided into head and trunk, and the animals which include in these are the centipedes, which have 100 legs. Now next class or the fourth class is the Diplopoda, in which the body is elongated, cylindrical and divided into head, thorax and trunk, and the animals, they are millipedes which have thousands of legs. Now fifth class is the Insecta, which is the largest group of terrestrial animals, and their body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Now they have 3 pairs of walking legs, 2 pairs of wings, and abdomen is without appendages, and insects, they are terrestrial and aerial. Now the animals which includes in this are the silverfish, cricket, cockroaches, honeybees and many more. Now this class Insecta, they have some topic importance also, because some insects are beneficial in nature, some are harmful insects like bees, wasps, dragonflies, many beetles, they are useful for us, and certain insects like pests, beetles and weevils, termites, blood-sucking animals, they are harmful for us. So next class is mollusca, children, and we'll learn mollusca in our next class. Till then, have a nice day and goodbye.